Well, question of the day is, where's Sarah and little one at now? I'm still working my way up the coast right now, the Pacific coast. So I've been my original plan was to drive Highway 1, the Pacific Coast Highway, straight on up to Oregon. But I've been doing a mixture of driving up Highway 1 and Highway 101. There's two different sceneries for both of those highways. Highway 1 is right there on the coast. You're following the ocean all the way. And then Highway 101, which runs right beside Highway 1, is mountains and a whole bunch of green everywhere. This has definitely been a nice change of scenery after being in mountains and desert, and yeah, whole different scenery over here. But anyways, I just arrived to my third little spot that I found since I've been on the Pacific coast, and oh my god, guys, oh my god, like, this place is amazing. I'm gonna be here for 5 days actually, and I got lucky with this place. This place I found on Hip Camp, which I'll put the link to it in the description of this video. But it was only $25 a night. These people can charge so much more for what they have here. I mean, I just arrived here, just made me some dinner. Now I'm making me some hot tea right now, so I can enjoy this beautiful view that I have. You guys have got to see. Okay, I can't hold on anymore. So I am literally parked, set up camp right there in my Jeep where I sleep, backed up on this overlook that's overlooking all that. Oh my god. Now let me tell you guys though, I had to drive 20 miles up a mountain, a steep mountain to get here. Not only was it steep, but there were twists and turns all up the mountain. It was one of the sketchiest drives I've done in a while. I literally had to put my Jeep into gear, where I shift the gears on my own because I have a sports mode. I had to put it into gear where I was shifting the gears on my own, and literally drove in second gear all the way up the mountain to get to this spot for 20 minutes. That was crazy. I was clenching my steering wheel like, I'm surprised my hands don't hurt from that drive. But now that I'm here, I'm not leaving this spot at all. I am stocked up on groceries and everything. Definitely not leaving. I mean, look at this. Not only that, I'm not going back down that mountain, having to drive back up that mountain again. So I'm good to go right here. But I was just informed that there is bears in this area. Now, I'm used to there being coyotes and mountain lions and birds and snakes and scorpions. I'm prepared for those, but I didn't put into thought that bear season has started. Like, the bears are coming out of hibernation, and they've already come out in this area. But thank goodness I do have good old bear spray that somebody sent me before I started living in my Jeep. So whoever sent me that bear spray about 7 months ago, thank you. Let's hope that I don't have to use it. Let's hope that it's just nice decoration for that Jeep. So, yeah. Because I wasn't prepared for there to be bears out here, I have been trying to bear-proof my Jeep. So meaning any dry food that I have that's not in containers, I've been trying to put them in the plastic bins so it covers up the odor and stuff. And then don't worry guys, little one is always on a leash when we're camping in areas like this. Always. So, yeah. I'm just going to take the rest of this evening and drink some of my hot tea there and enjoy that beautiful view right there. Okay, so I just woke up and oh my God, I got out of my Jeep and it's so cool looking. I had to share this with you guys right away before I made my coffee and woke up completely. But this is so cool because I am camping. Where I'm camping at is by the ocean and I'm really high up on a mountain. I am surrounded by fog, that thick fog you see over the ocean all the time. Like, it's so crazy. You can't even see the mountains out there that you could see with the view and stuff. Let me just turn this around so you guys can see. This is so, it's so pretty. Excuse the way I look, but I had to film this right away. I need to make coffee. I need to wake up. But let's go see. You guys ready? That's pretty cool. And then it feels like it's raining, but it's not raining. It's actually the mist from the fog. Like, it's just covered in fog down there. That's so crazy. I've never been like in the middle of fog like this before. Wow. Well, I just met the owner of this place, and he's pretty nice. Him and the camp host that they have, both have been very nice. Came down here to meet me and go over the place and the area with me and stuff, so that was awesome. So, the owner of the place is actually a hiker and a backpacker, so he does a lot of long distance hiking, backpacking and stuff. So hence the name of this place. It's called Lost Coast Base Camp. So there's a trail way over there in those mountains, and it's a pretty long, well-known trail called Lost Coast. So this area that he has, he'd like to have it as a base camp for all the hikers that are going to do that trail and everything. And also for other people to come enjoy, of course. But I figure I'll do a quick little show around of the place to you guys. Look, you guys see I have a towel hanging on my Jeep. Well, the reason why I have a towel hanging on my Jeep is because there's a shower here. Yes, a shower. So just real quick, there's this boat right here that he's been building up here. I think it was an actual boat and he's just been adding on to it, but he eventually wants to turn it into like a kind of like an Airbnb style thing. So it's pretty cool, and it's facing the overlook, like the point of it is overlooking the overlook. We'll go see that in a minute. And then over here is, he's in the process of building a kitchen in this area right here. So there's already a stove and a fridge and all that stuff in there, but he hasn't hooked it all up and put it together yet. But that's a work in process. And then the little trash cans right there for us to put our trash in. And then over here is the toilets, which is nice too. So there's the restrooms. There's a bathroom on each side. And then my favorite part, those are the showers. It is always a plus when I go and find a camping spot that has showers, because taking solar showers in the middle of nowhere is a pain in the butt. So it's nice. That's nice. Showers. Showers. That's exciting. And then up there, in that little circle area, that's a little community fire pit. So cute. So, big little space. And then they have like free wood down here for you to go and gather. So you don't even have to have your own wood. And then you can go hang out up there, have a fire. And if there's anybody else out here camping, they can come hang out at the fire with you and make friends. So these are the camping spots over there. Oh, right there. There's 5 of them. And yeah, they're pretty close together, but I think it's still, I mean, you're not really like literally on top of each other, but I think it's awesome. And then let's go look at the overlook from the boat. I'm sure you guys can see those clouds. So yeah, there's actually a storm heading this way. Yay. And it'll get here tonight. And I have tonight and tomorrow are my last nights here. So it looks like I'm going to be toughing out a storm tonight and all day tomorrow. Hoping it lets up by the morning that I have to leave, because going down that mountain, it's a steep mountain and a lot of twists and turns. I'm gonna be a nervous wreck driving in a thunderstorm or rain going down the mountain. But this place is well worth it. Such a beautiful place. It's so funny because the owner here, he's kept telling me about state parks in the area, and there's also a little county fair that's going on up the road today. It's like a little local county fair that they do every year. And I told the owner, I was like, I'm just happy and content being right here. I don't even want to move. And literally, this is, you guys know me, when I find a spot that I really, really love and enjoy, and it's just peaceful and secluded, I don't ever want to leave the spot. So I'm constantly on the go, constantly. And this is one of those spots where I just haven't wanted to leave. So I've been getting some work done, editing videos, and trying to plan out my route a little bit and do some filming, because I think there was enough to film here. What do you guys think? So I've been trying to waiting on this wind to die down too, because I'd like to try to put my drone up. So I'm gonna hope that that dies down a little bit. I don't know, because the storm is coming. Look at how black the sky is getting. I am high up on a mountain. Well, I am waking up to my last morning at this beautiful and amazing place. I literally have not left this spot right here. I have not left that spot the whole entire time I've been up here. And I've been up here for like almost a week. But it's been so peaceful, so quiet, and just so beautiful. But I wanted to share this with you guys before I left. Put my coffee down. Every morning that I have woke up and come out here to look at that beautiful overlook, it's been a different view every morning. Some mornings it would be clear. Some mornings it would be full of fog, just moving through. And this morning, it's full of clouds. This can give you an idea of how high up I am on this mountain, because the clouds are literally like below me. Look at that. Those are all clouds, the white part. That whole scenery out there has been a different scenery every morning. It's so crazy. This has been the first morning where it's been, the clouds are just, I'm above the clouds. It's so beautiful.